Hello, today we're going to do a review on the Coleman Bottle Top Stove. It is designed to sit right on top of these green fuel canisters. So we'll go ahead, and I think I got enough fuel in there. We'll go ahead and make ourselves a pot of coffee. Alright, there's the top. And here's the base. That is what your green canister goes into to stabilize it. It's definitely gonna, or should be quite stable with that, because it seems pretty stable. Go ahead and screw this on top of the green tank. Turn on the switch, you can hear the gas coming out, so let's go ahead and set that up. Move all the cardboard out of the way. The instructions and everything else that comes with it. It says right here on this tag, never use this appliance in an enclosed space such as a camper, tent, car, or home, because it produces carbon monoxide and it is deadly. So anyway, right now we are outside, and I got my pot filled up with water. I got it sitting on a towel on a metal table, so we'll see how that works. It seems pretty stable. I mean, yeah, if you bump it or something, it could possibly fall over. And one thing about the top of this, it actually has little teeth in there, and so you get certain size of containers, they'll actually fit in the slots to keep it from sliding around. That one actually fits pretty good right there. Looks like I got enough water in there for like about 7 or 8 cups. Put that in there. We'll go ahead and put the delicious Folgers coffee grounds in there. We're going to go ahead and turn this thing on. It does not have an igniter, so you have to have lighter, matches, or a trusty fire steel. There we go. Can't see the flame, but you can hear it. It's definitely a windy day out here. So I'll turn that gas up. One thing about these, if you got them sitting out in the open like this and it's windy, a lot of that heat's getting wasted over here. It's blowing right out. There's no heat on this side. There's a whole bunch on this side. You're blowing a lot of heat out. So you're going to have to turn it up pretty high or figure out a way to block that wind. Yeah, it's nice and hot over on this side. Cold over here, so I'm getting some heat, but most of it's blowing out with this heavy wind. But I turned it up a bit, so we'll go ahead and see how this works in the wind. It's definitely blowing out lots of heat, so it's working. Stability wise, it's actually not bad. It's pretty decent. You definitely want to put it on a flat surface. I think these would work out pretty darn good if you're up in the mountains camping or whatever and you need a single burner stove, so you don't have to pull out your big camp stove. As you can see, we got the coffee percolating now. So we gotta let that percolate for about 7 minutes or so. 7 to 10 minutes probably, to give it enough time to get the coffee out of the grounds. We've had this coffee percolating for about 7-8 minutes. Let's go ahead and check this out. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. That smells so good. Nothing like a nice hot cup of coffee when you're out camping or just waking up in the morning. Set that all right there, because we are going to go ahead and fry some eggs right now in a 10-inch cast iron. So we're going to put this burner to the test. Alright, let's go ahead and put the frying pan up on there. And this is going to be a little more of a challenge, I think. Getting cast iron heated up. But I can definitely feel lots of heat. I'll turn it back up a little bit because I turned it way down for that. To get the initial heating going on. Because I turned it way down for the percolating of the coffee. That's actually extremely strong coffee. And I probably put 6 tablespoons for about 7 or 8 cups. I probably had 8 cups of water worth in there. So, yeah. It says a tablespoon per cup, or 6-ounce cup. For me, that would be crazy strong. It's already crazy strong with 6 tablespoons per 8. So I think 4, maybe 5 tablespoons would be way plenty. Alright, let's let this heat up for a few minutes and then we'll come back. It's been heating. Starting to get a little smoke coming off of it. Let's turn that temperature down. Since we're just cooking eggs, we don't want to burn them. I got me a plate right here. And I like to cook with butter. Eggs taste way better when you're using butter to cook them. Oh yeah. Let's do that. And it's not too bad on stability with the cast iron either. I definitely wouldn't bump it because it would slide off there. So if you're using one of these, make sure you keep them kids back. Alright, let's go ahead and crack these eggs. I don't know about you guys, but I really like the taste of eggs fried in cast iron. Nothing like the smell of eggs cooking outdoors. Delicious. That's why I like, you want to make sure your cast iron's well seasoned. And with butter, the eggs, look at that, how they move around. Not even sticking. This is my Lodge cast iron. A friend of mine uses the Walmart brand cast iron and he actually likes it really well also. Getting a little poppy there. Oh yeah. One thing a lot of people sit there and say about their cast iron, they can't cook eggs because their eggs are sticky or sticking to the cast iron. Well, if it's well seasoned, I like to season these when I first got them. They already had a seasoning on them, but I did it another 4 or 5 times for each pan, and I did it outside in my barbecue. Good way to do it so you don't stink up your house. Them eggs are done. I like my eggs over easy. But look at that. No stick, nothing. Lodge cast iron. Good stuff. And look at those eggs. Yummy delicious. I'm gonna eat my eggs and drink my cup of coffee. If you're thinking about getting one of those Coleman Bottle Top Stoves, they're definitely worth it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.